had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go
Khuman Kaerjing. Asan? Ako ang ano ba? Ilang kuha talaga. Kasi kumanda, dragon fruit farm. Ayun ang gusto ko.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else.
Away dragon fruit Kakching Khuman da tau do gi khoi proprietor come owner ko khoi nong pa asutos si farm gi hairet matang do kitang na mayam da share to bi gi
lazy, legum gì? Khuman.
Khuman, mayam ang khang na.
Kaerjing I know.
Kaerjing okay.
Dragon fruit farm asigi proprietor na takpirakpi matung inam khoi gi si 2019 dagi na horokpa farm ni hai ko sahi almost 5-6 adumaina suruba ado hojigi fully moi training makti chatte laga senior sing adagi akhang ai laga moida takpirabagi moida matam gi khoigi training gumba or suggestion gumba ko haibirabagi man phongdoi ado organic ni full organic ni man haiba ko dragon fruit ki kanabal se khoi antioxidant adagi vitamin C mineral na chingba yawi fiber aphawa chinjak ni Dumain hai Manipur di fana cultivation tawya bagi kudong saba du fana successfully oire haina ai adumaina su proprietor farm gi owner inausina habiragi asumna sumakha tabirai madudi akhoi gi low singu tawba low gi fauno honaba adudagi di hena dragon fruit farm sita tawbana kidang hena kudong saba adu oi amadi profitability oi haibidusu haibirai makhoi mafam sisu hana low uba yaba low gi lofam oirambani ado compare to faungong thabaduga dragon fruit thabaduga kanabadu mana tambirak paitare ko aduna fajana organic oina organic su oiramina khoi chaga na su makhoi miyoibada dum afaba oire sinjak se ko mama sagi su dragon fruit ki su phajaba ma afaba khoi healthy oiba aduma makhan gi fruit oire ising di yama changba ponatre ising tungma mafam da di yade hai mana haibada ko mafam sida khoi gi kariguma ising tunga ga di adudi yam khudong chadaba panbi siga yam chanadaba haitare daga adudi oi haida dumaina su haibiri ngasai ising tungsillaga leradi mara se pasallaga panbi se khoi palakkadoine ko palak pumok patawdoine wa aduna ising ga di yam chanadre ising tungba ohalaga di panbi se khoi gi mapung marei phajana phaba haibedu oi basi sahi ahum surakpa matamda phajana oi aduga pan masu mahai adagi lay yamna satpa mahai yamna panba sahi ahum hengragadi hauji hei ba mang hei zo khoi gi sahi ahum helaba mari helaba panbi ni buko aduna mamang su face haidi kano ma saruk mayam he aga yon grabani adu magi still lay salakpa adagi magi pomokpa mahai palakpa di lepte buko panbi jinga sahi mature yam phajana oiraba mafam mature oiraba panbi oibagi ara mafamna mayam amuka hanna nangsingjari mafam se khoi Kakching Khuman Kaerjing haiga su khangnei Kaerjing Khuman ko thong na laga isu map ta khajitang mayam da khangnaba kitang jaga do spot to ai geo map ama sum hapsabani adu su mayam kaigumba chaningba khoningba lainingba or koiba lakningba adum safe oiba jaga ni or mafam se sida laga adum yengbiba laibiraba adum yai openly changaga ko mapusiga phadana tanaraga adum inaw pa su yam phaba mapuni yam khonaba kanba patient oiba inaw pani amuka hanasu haijari madudi manipurda panbi ase fajana mapung fana cultivate tawba yaba adumba panbi successfully oiba yaba planning tawba yaba adumba panbi amadi oire profitability su adum fangba ko aduna mafam ai haijagre mayam adu mathang ai video footage ai cover khar tawjarake mayam gi damakta ai ngasi inaw nupa siga thengnaraga wari watai sanaba fangbasi su yamna khudong chaba bibi damak ai inaw nupa khoigi asutos sibu thagachari asutos bu thagachari makha tarakpada karigumba channel sibu ahan ma yengbiba oiragadi channel asi like subscribe amadi adomgi karigumba feedback lairagadi feedback su makhagi comment box to da comment isin biramu matam gi explore tawduna ai adum chalaga mayam gi damak hapcharake mayam gi damaktani mayam su khangnanaba unanaba adum information asi mayam gi damakta ai hapsakhibani semjakhibani karigumba so engam yawroga su mayamna adum ngakpigani khanjai khogi proprietor inaunupa asutos unaro matungda ai mathang video coverage khara mayam su uhanana bai khara mathang hapcharake mayam gi damakta fazani haina khallaga ai video si lawjagi bani mayam adum mayam su nungairamgani na khali ado any comment makhada comment box ta isin biramu mahaki masagi farm sigi akoi bida leiri bidu adusu cover tawjabane ko ching gi makhong mayam maktani leiri si so ko aduna mayam su makhata na miyeng taminasi masini mathang manipur gi hoigi jaga khara sum jaga explore to yaba khangjin me yaba ubadan puning nungaiba puning khuba adu singdo hoi sum ai chatlaga namjabani mayam gi damakta
feet on the ground but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying boy don't stop when the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
mayam gi damaktani mayam su khangnanaba unanaba adum information asi mayam gi damakta ai hapsakhibani semjakhibani karigumba so engam yawroga su mayamna adum ngakpigani khanjai mayam punomapu amuka hanna ko ngana khurumjari matang sida tengthangjage. Thank you everyone. Yai fare.